Hello everyone, today we are gonna be listing the top 10 anime where our main character is a legend, but nobody knows. Are you excited? Cause I know I am. Before we start, be sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of new videos. Number 10, Jinbei from Mushibugyo. Jinbei Tsukishima works as a constable of Mushibugyo. He's the main protagonist. When he was younger, Tsukishima's father had purposely disabled his own leg in order to be able to take Jinbei's forfeiture instead of Jinbei himself. This caused the irremovable guilt that Tsukishima carries with him his entire life. Yet still, Jinbei is a carefree, hot-headed guy who would never give up the chance for a good fight. After a nearly fatal battle, Jinbei joins the Mushibugyo because of Kotori's doing. He then earned the affection of a girl named Oharu, without him even knowing. Number 9, Jin from Samurai Champloo. Jin is the main male protagonist of the hit anime series, Samurai Champloo. In the beginning, he was one of Fu's two bodyguards, the other one being Mugen. Jin was a former student of Kenjutsu, and he had killed his own master, but purely for self-defense. He had then fled and at some point, met with Fu and Mugen. Jin had been taught by his powerful teacher, Sensei Enshiro Marie. He had trained in his sensei's dojo, and this was where he had become Enshiro's absolute favorite student. Jin was also close with another samurai with the name Yukimaru, and he had become so close, he considered this man as a brother. A while later, out of the blue, Enshiro had asked Jin, because of Kariaki Getoki's request, what he would think of turning the samurai school into a school for assassins. Jin had naturally refused this without a second thought. Because of this, Kariya had ordered Enshiro to kill Jin while he was asleep. When the night came, Jin had reacted on instinct, and accidentally killed his master. He then knew he had to flee, as he was now a fugitive, which then caused lots of Ronins, as well as samurais to be sent after Jin, because of the murder he had committed accidentally. Number 8, Arata Kasuga from Trinity 7. Arata Kasuga in fact, is a demon, and not just any demon. He's the demon lord of the Superbia archive, as well as being the main character of the series. He even has the ability to remove and copy magic. He was a demon lord candidate. He was born into a normal family. He did live the normal life, before both his parents died, because of a plane crash. Because of this, he has to live with his cousin, Hijiri, along with her family. During their time at elementary school, these two gain a close relationship with each other. Because Arata was the only one who was nice to her, even though he didn't even know about her being a magus. Number 7, Suichiro from Tenjo Tenji. Suichiro Nagi is the main character of the famous manga and anime series Tenjo Tenji. He's a member of the Knuckle Bombs, a group he and his friend formed, as well as the Juken Club. Suichiro is a self-assertive, blonde teenage boy with spiky hair. And already standing out, he is an main character who enjoys fighting. Suichiro's story starts where he was bullied as a young child, and this was all because his family had consisted of demon exorcists, and because of this, he might not have been the most liked person there. As a result of this, he had started fighting people at an extremely young age. During elementary school, he decided to meet up with his best friend Bob Makihara, and they gave themselves the name Knuckle Bombs. These two would then beat up everyone they could find at school, until everyone had admitted that they were the strongest. Despite this, when Suichiro had arrived at Tudo Academy, he soon found out that he wasn't even close to as strong as he thought he was. Number 6, Koju from Strike the Blood. Koju Akatsuki is the main character of the striking anime series Strike the Blood. He is most commonly known as the elder brother of Nagisa Akatsuki, as well as the childhood friend of Yuma Tokoyogi. Although he might appear to be a typical high school student currently attending Sakai Academy, he is the fourth forebearer and the strongest vampire to ever exist. He is an immortal demon that was previously thought to only exist in strictly fictional legends. Only 3 months before the start of the series, he was transformed into a vampire and became the fourth primogenitor. For a long time during the show, he was completely unaware of how he became a vampire, and every time he'd even tried to remember, an intense headache would take him over. Later in the series, Yukina Himeragi, sent from the Lion King organization, arrives to observe and analyze him and his actions, and to get rid of him if he seems like a possible threat or danger. Number 5, Anos from The Misfit of Demon King Academy. Anos already stands out from the others, as he is the reincarnation of a highly feared person known as the Demon King of Tyranny who existed 2000 years ago. What makes him a legend is the fact that he never originally announced himself as the Demon King. He still fully embraced the title as the rest of the world sees him that way. Number 4, Glenn from Akashic Records, a bastard magic instructor. Glenn Radas is our main protagonist here and is the professor of class number 2 at a famous magic academy. As well as being a professor, Glenn is also known as the Fool. Glenn is an overly lazy and sometimes mischievous person who is almost always annoying the other characters. Some of these people are as follows: his mother, who is more than disappointed with him, begging her not to force him to work; Sistine Feibel, who is constantly lecturing him about taking his job seriously; and Halle Astri, who is in fact also a professor. She looks down on his lack of professionalism he has during class. Number 3, Ye from The King's Avatar. Yeju is a professional esports player. He is the former captain of the group Happy and of Excellent Era, as well as a former user of One Autumn Leaf. Currently, he is a user of Lord Grim and he is the leader of the Chinese Glory team. Yeju is known by the public as the Glory textbook. Yeju cares for his closest friends as well as his teammates, but he still tends to anger lots of people because he is so straightforward and says exactly what's on his mind. What makes him slightly different is that, in contrast to many people's beliefs, he is not pompous or self-important, and he proves this by playing Glory with everyone, chatting and having fun with them, even with the janitor. This was when he was in the Excellent Era. Number 2, Shiba from The Irregular at Magic High School. Shiba Tatsuya is the main male protagonist of the anime series The Irregular in Magic High School. In the beginning, he had enrolled at the National Magic University affiliated First High School on the date of April 2095. Along with his younger sis, Miyuki, he was later accepted as a student in the Kostu curriculum and started the chain of events that were to all take place soon afterward in the series. During his second year, though, he had transferred to the newly made Magic Engineering course. Number 1, Lelouch from Code Geass. Lelouch V. Britannia is our main character. His story starts after they cast him out, when he decided to use the alias which he named Lelouch. Lelouch is in fact the 11th prince for the Britannian Empire. He is also the leader, as well as the founder, of a group called the Black Knights. Giving him the absolute number 1 spot is the fact that he was the most liked male character of the year 2006, the year 2007, and the year 2008 during Animage magazine's annual Anime Grand Prix. Lelouch's Japanese dub voice actor also won the Best Actor with a Leading Role award for his work on the character during the CU Awards. Alright everyone, that is it from today's video on Top 10 Anime, where the main character is a legend, but no one knows. If you think we have missed someone or you have a different ranking in mind, don't forget to comment down below. And if you like this video, then do share with your friends.